being accessible to such an important topic. And from my point of view, this is a great start. I think the bill not only mentions a lot of stuff that you mentioned, but for example, it talks about I-220As for Cubans, which have been a major issue, and you've been up front, you've been one of the only ones who address that issue.
Oh yeah, I-220 is a travesty, and the TPS for 600,000 Venezuelans.
So
please,
it's not really a question in my regards, basically in a way thanking you for taking this initiative, to really to work with the other side, but also for being to accept what is being done wrong now. You're not being blind to your party, and that's important. You know, there's things that can be fixed. We don't agree with some of the detentions that are going on, and we appreciate, at least I appreciate you admitting it. You're not blindly just supporting something just because you feel the obligation to.
And thank you for that. But you know, it's just being honest. Now I want to tell you, what happened during the Biden years, the 4 years of those terror events killed us. I mean, how could you be more irresponsible? A president of the United States, elected by the people, just open up a border where you could have 10, 12 million people, whomever, just coming in. I mean, there are 285,000 children who were trafficked. And Mayorga told me, oh, we're not doing DNA testing. But what do you mean you're not doing DNA? Do you really know the guy who's coming with this guy is really the trafficker or the uncle? So everyone has sinned here, everyone.
No,
and what happened the last 4 years is what's bringing what we're having right now, because it's like the pendulum going back. And I'm saying, no, wait, because there are people that I don't want the righteous paying for the sinners. But I want everyone to know that for the Hispanic community, it was one of the most egregious and one of the worst things that could have happened to the Hispanic community, largest minority, fastest growing minority in the country. We didn't need that.
No, and
then now look what's happened. So
that's
it's what.
And I mentioned it before. I'm an immigration attorney, so I deal with the client every single day. And I just mentioned before you walked in, most of my clients would be happy just with a work permit, a license, a social, or a green card. They can't a citizenship is not something that will stop the support from them. They will continue support because they want to at least be acknowledged. They've been paying taxes, they've been doing what's right, and I think they're being super fair by saying it's only 5 years. But I would ask, and most of us should get behind this and support this, instead of going on the Palmetto and putting billboards and discouraging people like her to do the right thing. Instead, we should support her because she was brave enough to come out here and do this.
Welcome to democracy.